Hi guys, it's Winette and welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I will be playing with neon pink and glitter. Please like, comment and subscribe and follow me on the social media pages listed in the description box, and don't forget to share this video with a friend. Enjoy the video! I first begin by priming my lids with my angeleyez glitter primer. I ensured that my brows were done prior to this step. Using an eyeshadow blending brush, I am applying the shade Social Blade to my crease. I am using both packing and blending motions to ensure the shadow sticks to the base and to build up the pigment. Next, I use the shade Spooky to deepen the crease and skip on my lids. I am going in with the shade Spooky to deepen the crease and to carve out the shape that I want for my lid. Using the tip of that shadow brush, I am packing and blending the black shade into my crease. I then go in with a blending brush to further blend out Spooky into my crease. In doing so, I first dip into Spooky and then apply and blend. To further deepen, I use a small detail brush to carve out the shape even more using the shade Spooky. Then I do more blending with my blending brush. Next, I cut my crease using the angeleyez glitter primer and a small concealer brush. I apply the glitter primer to my lid as well to provide a sticky base for the shadow I will be applying next.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.
Using a small fluffy shadow brush, I am applying the bright pink shade called Skip from the Morphe X James Charles palette to my lid. I am packing on the shade Skip where I applied the glitter primer. I then finish applying the glitter primer onto my lid, forming a wing at my outer corner. I next continued to pack on the shade Skip where I applied the glitter primer.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave.
To line my eyes and to create a wing liner, I am using my NYC liquid liner.
So I choke you.
I follow my usual steps in creating my winged liner. Having done my other eye off camera, I am now adding some drama to the look with this white liner. I mixed my Inglot Duraline with a white shadow in order to create my liner. I am using a liner brush to apply the liner and added 2 coats for opacity. Next I am applying the shade Pinkity Drinkity as a brow bone highlight. I then line my top and bottom waterline with my Rimmel Scandalized Kohl Kajal pencil in black. To smudge out my liner and to smoke out my lower lash line, I am again using the shade Spooky on a small detail brush. I then continue smoking out my lower lash line using the shade Skip. I also added an extra pop in the inner corners of my eyes. Using my powder brush, I am dusting away the excess powder from my face. Next, I apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I applied 2 coats to my bottom lashes in order to balance out my lash line, as I will be applying false lashes later. Now I am going to apply a pink glitter to my inner corners using my NYX glitter primer as a base. I gently pack on the glitter to prevent it from falling off the brush and to ensure that it lays flat where it's placed. Next, I use the shade Jezebel from the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place as my blush. I use my Mario Badescu facial spray to set my face. In order to set my brows, I am using my Ardell Brow Sculpting Gel. Next, I move on to my lips where I lined them with a brown lip pencil. I then applied two glosses, the Jordana Lip Shine and the MAC Lip Glass. After applying my lippies, I apply my loose highlighter by Juvia's Place in the shade Nubia.
Open eye.
Using the tip of that shadow brush, I am packing and blending the black shade into my crease.
By the sounds I'm breathing.
I applied this highlighter to my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and my nose.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
I then used the pink glitter to add another touch of drama to this look. I applied the glitter to my cheekbones and temples by gently tapping it on with my fingertip.
Can make me move. You can make me move.
And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. Bye, guys.